Hey you guys! So today's video is going to be another unboxing of Akibento for May 2018. And Bandit wants to just be a little clingy girl today. So she's in my lap. So here's the box. Doesn't look any different as normal, as you guys know. So what we're gonna do this time is, because I always just show you guys automatically what's inside. We're not gonna do that today. Well, maybe I will. I'm just not gonna look. Here's how the box looks. Hopefully you can see it. And now I'm gonna do this, and I'm just gonna grab an item out of the box. I got a big box. So let's see, what did I grab? I grabbed Pup figure of My Hero Academia, and this is Deku. I don't like how it came like that, but it's not a big deal because I can just, well, maybe you just put it back in like that. So here is my Pup figure of Deku from My Hero Academia. This is really neat. Sorry for the glare, you guys. I am like trying to, yeah, don't know if that helped any, but it's really cute. Here's the sides. This, oops, in the back. You can get any of them. I'm excited to see, because like with figures and plushies and stuff, those usually, sometimes we all get the same one, sometimes there's different ones people can get, you know. So I'm excited to see what we get this time. Next item in the box. So I'm just going to get the t-shirt out of the way, because I don't remember what the theme is, so. It's black. I don't recognize it, but I really do like it. But I don't recognize where this is from. But it is still really neat. Really good design. I like the colors. I like the blue. But I just do not recognize where this is from. Next item in the box. There's a lot. Feels like there's a lot. I have Assassination Classroom stickers. I have watched the first season. I need to get on to season 2. But look how cute are these. All has different emotions. I don't know what I'll use these for, but it's still too cute. I like it. Let's just grab the other box. Whoa. What is this? What? This is really neat. I like the packaging a lot. Like, how beautiful is this packaging? Like, how beautiful is this, you guys? It is just so beautiful. What is this though? We're gonna open it and just take it out and see if we can figure it out. Huh. This is really cute. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. Really cute. I want to say a phone stand or something. This feels like a lot of little stuff in here now. And then the sticker, this is probably the YouTuber, featured YouTuber. Don't recognize it, but it's really neat. Really cool. I like the style and the coloring. Really good art. We have a cell phone charm. My friend did tell me we did get a cell phone charm. My friend Courtney, I asked her if she got to Akibento, and she kind of told me what was in it. like the phone charm, a certain scientific Belgian, we got that type of phone charm. This is really cute. I don't know what this, I really don't know what this series is, though, but still really cute. And this is the series name. I think they're just like, I think it's just the card left and yeah. And you know the box always looks the same with the open, snap, and share. And then, thank you. This must name was Academy. Look how it's really always great work. And these are people from last month's box. And this here is the pen. So much glare for some reason right now. How cute is the pen? Here's how I look right now. I look like total crap right now, you guys. But I did not realize I did not finish the outro for this video because I forgot my camera died while filming and all that stuff. Not an excuse. But let's finish. So what I was showing you guys the Academy Akibento pen. So I want to have to say my favorite item for this month. It might have to be the cute phone stand that we got. I find it really cute. So let's look into the Academy box for this month of Akibento and figure out what all these items are called. So, for the sticker, the YouTuber is Bijou Mike. I'm assuming this is like his TV character or like his favorite character or something. I don't know this YouTuber. Says, make sure to check out my channel. What is your favorite anime? My favorite anime is Naruto. Other than that, it's too hard to choose. I agree. I have a lot of favorite animes. I cannot decide, so I need to like make a video for that about that for you guys. Coming in amazing. What do I do with the Okay. We have the certain scientific Wilson cell phone charm. For some reason, right now, my room is a freaking disaster. It is just a mess. My own fault, no excuse. I should be cleaning it. But today I'm just really lazy. I'm not gonna lie. No excuse though. I don't know what I did with it. I remember opening it and trying to put it on my phone, and I could not put it on my phone. Then I thought it started over there, and apparently I didn't. So the sticker is the bonus item, the Bijou Mike sticker. Then we have the Assassination Classroom sticker set. And this is the one everybody got, because sometimes they do stickers differently for everybody, or like, you know what I mean? Because sometimes they'll have different series for stickers, but this time it's just one series. So that's really cool. And this is what it looks like, by the way, my bad. And this theme is for the selfie contest is the Assassination Classroom 365 days time. Still need to get on to season 2. And I need to add Akibento on Snap, yeah. I always forget to do the selfie contest. So this is the Akibento exclusive phone stand. This is really cute. Haven't really used it yet though. The My Hero Academia Deku Funko Pop final figure. Really cute to have in my collection. I do want to get all my Akatsuki. So I'm going to have to look those up and buy those or go to Hot Topic or something and find these. Because I want them in my life now. The Academy pen and the Academy t-shirt. So this month, my favorite items have got to be the phone stand. I don't know if it's just because it's like an exclusive or because of the design on it. I am not like haven't figured out my feelings yet, but it's one of my favorite items for this month. I can't decide between the stickers or the Deku by the pop. I'm not really into pops unless I really absolutely love the series and they have a pop collection, then I have to have it. More say it's just a want that I need, but that's just me and my life. So, I can't decide between these two. So, but this is still really cute to have as a sticker collection. I love to collect stickers even though I keep them in a clear file. I don't really use them right now. I might possibly use them as I get my own house and apartment and stuff like that. My own house because I have too many cats. I can't get an apartment. And a dog. But, you know, same thing. House and apartment is still a house. It's two different types of housing. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this Akibento unboxing. It is not my best, but I still enjoyed my box. It is not my best video I filmed, in my opinion. In the beginning, this video, I did not try to put into any effort into looking good, and I'm sorry. I usually always try to put on makeup or something. That's just me. But you know, this is how I am. I have my lazy days, just like everybody else does. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I will see you in the next one. I love you guys.